Hey guys, I'm Rogut and this is my rant. Today, I'm going to be showing you some awesome wood creations that my grandfather made. Cool little fun video just to show you like cool, unique ways to store your coins when you collect them and stuff like that if you have a grandfather who makes these cool wood creations and stuff like that. So let's check them out. Alright, here they are. Let's get to it. Alright, so the first one that my grandfather made, he actually made 3 copies of this type of stuff. So this is it's an eagle, as you can see. It has all of the 50 state quarters in it. It's made of wood and has some screws in it. And in the middle of that star right there is the Sacagawean like the gold colored, 1 ounce, the dollar coin. and I have all 50 state quarters there. He used some glue to keep them in there and stuff like that, and you can always just and then he did include holes on the back for you to get them out if you ever want to get them out and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's for all the 50 quarters and stuff like that. My grandfather, he made he made about, I think it was 3. He gave one to me, one for himself, and then one for one of my other cousins. But this is a really cool piece of, I even call it art. It's woodworking. So it's a really cool way to store your coins and stuff like that. And I guarantee you that you don't really see anyone else with something like that. So I thought it'd be a cool video to make. All right, so now we're gonna go to the other one. And then this one is awesome. This one's kind of like a new and improved design almost. This one, basically, that is the so it's like Mount Rushmore. My grandfather made it to look like Mount Rushmore, and I don't have all of the presidential dollar coins because I was strapped for cash, a couple of years back, and I needed a little bit of money, so I needed to get rid of some of the coins. But to me, I don't think those coins are really going to be worth a lot more than face value. They'll obviously have some collector value to them, but they so yeah, it's just a really cool way to put your coins in woodworking. I thought they were like some cool creations to show off. Nice little short video for everybody. And like I say all the time, we believe in the diversity of thought here, and if you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you hated it, make sure you smash that dislike button. Alright, and subscribe if you want to see more. You can leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for checking out these cool wood creations for these coins.
Hey guys, just want to say thanks for all the continued support. Make sure to subscribe if you like the content, and smash that dislike button. It was a little weak at the end of that clip, so I thought I would make a bigger, louder clip. Okay, see you next time.